Welcome to Tesseract's digital signing module. In this video, I will be showing you how a document will be signed and can be signed by a user. In my previous video, I sent out a document using the account Markchia to demo+1 at tessaract.io, as you can see here. Now, this is an email body which demo+1 has received from Markchia. All demo+1 has to do is click here to review and sign the document. Because demo+1 is a new user, they will be creating a new account. It's as easy as adding in a passcode and a sign-up code. Sign-up code are optional, but I've just done this for this exercise. Once done, click sign up, verify your name, demo1, click next, and you'll be brought to the document street. At the document page, review the document, and if everything is correct, click on the box and you have a few options to sign. You could be scribbling your image, you could save, you could upload a file, a signature box, or you could also be signing with SingPass. For this, I'll be scribbling my signature. If it's correct, click sign document. And now the document is signed. What you will be able to realize is that it states that it has already been digitally signed with Tesseract. The date and timestamp together with your signature can be found there. What you want to do is to also click on the download button here, and you will be able to download the signed document to your local computer or download the document log. The document log will allow for you to see, let me just click on this. The document log will allow for you to see the document history, who signed it, who set it up for signing, as well as the IP addresses. And that's it for the signing video.